Welcome, guys. And we have the car of the day at leathertech.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com. Let's take a look. Hello, everyone. Alicia here at EM Upholstery Technology, and we have the car of the day. This is our LeatherTech product. It's gonna go in a 2023 Chevy Silverado crew cab, and this is a black wrap with a stone stitch, featuring a diamond deck stitch, single stitch. I know it sounds confusing, but that's the way that is described. So it doesn't look that pretty right now, but once installed, it will look fabulous. Let's take a look of the toy. How about 2023 Chevy Silverado crew cab? And again, this is why we do the replacement, because cloth seats are horrible. So this is the damage. It's unusual, but people that carry objects in their pockets, make punctures in the seats. Same will happen to leather, no difference. But yeah, it stinks. That's what it's all about with these cloth seats. They pick up odors really easily. And they don't stay clean. Regardless of whatever that you do to maintain them in order, stains won't come out. I'm gonna be updating you guys in the process. We're gonna go by chapters, by sections. So this is the first sections. You just look exactly what we're gonna be doing. This is the interior. That's how bad they are. And once we install our beautiful leather kits, you're gonna see that everything is gonna be to another level. And we do all that right here at EM Upholstery Technology. And this is our new product, LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology. Click in the link below, like and subscribe for the people in the YouTube channels, and make an inquiry. Click in the box and start the buying process.
Cut the fabric, feel the coarse thread. Old seats rip, left them for dead. LeatherTech is gonna save the day. DIY or just pay pros way. LeatherTech smooth and fine. Stitch it up, don't waste no time. Do it yourself or call a pro. Ride in style wherever you go. Feel the rhythm of your sewing hand. Unravel layers, understand. LeatherTech makes it clean tight. Now your ride looks out of sight. LeatherTech smooth and fine. Stitch it up, don't waste no time. Do it yourself or call a pro. Ride in style wherever you go. Dust and grime, banished and gone. LeatherTech's here, just stitch it on. Old upholstery saying goodbye. New leather makes you feel high.